Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and we're going to talk today about the three roles of a law firm owner. And notice I didn't say the three roles of a lawyer or the three roles of a law practice participant. I said the three roles of a law firm owner because as someone who owns a law firm, there are three different hats that you wear, and you wear these hats at any specific time. The first hat is that of a professional and a lawyer, which is what you are by nature. And typically, attorneys spend about 75% of their time in that role. Some attorneys even more than that. And this is when you're practicing law or doing some legal research, preparing a case, litigators going to court, at a hearing, taking depositions, that sort of thing. That's your role as a professional, as a lawyer. The second role is that of an administrator, and you're in this role when you're collecting for the services that you've already provided, collecting payment, or you're handling office issues like negotiating the lease or the rent, or you're handling a technology issue like your practice management software. That's when you're in the role of an administrator. The third and final role is that of the business owner. And this is the role of strategist or marketer or the person who goes to all the events and functions and networks. Typical attorneys spend 75% of their time as a professional, a lawyer. They spend 20% of their time as the administrator, and they spend 5% of their time as the business owner or the strategist. And that metric, that time spend, that mix is 100% wrong no matter what your practice area is. Now, where you should be spending your time and how you should be spending your time in each of these roles is really up to what you want to get out of your law firm. If you want your law firm to be a lifestyle business, the mix of time is going to be a little bit different than if you want your law firm to be a thriving, ongoing enterprise that grows at a 20 or 30 or 40 or 50% clip year after year after year. Ideally, if you're a law firm owner and you want to have one associate working for you and you want to do well, you should spend about 50% of your time practicing law as the professional lawyer, and you should get high quality clients that allow you to do your best work during that time. And then you should spend about 40% of your time doing the business owner tactics, the business owner stuff, if you will. And that includes law firm marketing, that includes strategy and positioning, that includes all the things that are necessary to keep your law firm pipeline filled with high quality clients. Then you spend about 10% of your time doing administrative work, and that administrative work generally consists of double checking the books, making sure your accountant or bookkeeper is doing a good job, going over the balancing and reconciling of your trust and operating accounts. The really, really important money stuff, that's the stuff that you should oversee. You don't have to actually do it, and that's about 10% of your time. By and large, most solo practitioners have a problem when they hear this mix because they just can't make enough money with it. The issue is not that you can't make enough money with the time allocation. The issue is the type of clients you're attracting, and in some cases the volume of clients that you're attracting. So getting law firm marketing right is critical, and if you don't spend enough time on it, you'll never get it to the point where your practice can deliver everything that you want it to. So think about the three roles that you are inhabiting as a law firm owner. Think about your time spent in each of these roles, and think about how you can get it more to the 50, 20, 30 mix, or 50, 20, 50, 30, 20 mix, or the 50, 20, 10 mix. At any rate, focus your efforts on managing the mix of your law firm roles effectively, and you will be a much happier lawyer and your practice will thrive. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and for more great law firm marketing tips just like these, you can find me at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.